Let the weak say, I am strong. Indeed, I'm very strong. You know what that means? I'm very, very, very strong. The Lord is my strength. This afternoon, I was coming from church and I was wondering, why am I so weak like this? Why do I feel so weak? So, some memory was coming to my head. I said, I don't pass this level now. Why are you troubling yourself? And I remembered what I used to tell my children. Weakness comes from the mind. Weakness comes from the mind. Yesterday evening, I was feeling a kind of feverish. I was indeed down. So, but I gave my body instruction. I say, have to hang in there. Let me finish what I'm doing. You really have to hang in there. So, all you need is rest. Just hang in there. And I was able to finish what I was doing by 11, 12 in the night. And I slept. This morning, I was a bit okay. But my emotions can't get as it be. I can say, Onye, do you know what you need? You need to cry. Mm, I need to cry small. That's what I need. So, sometimes, if you need to pour it out, pour it out. Stop holding it in there. Don't hold yourself. Pour it out when you have the need. I've not cried setting camera before, but I'm going to do it this afternoon, and I will show you how not to waste your cry. You get it. How to cry and not waste your cry, and regain yourself. Sometimes when you are so full and you don't know what to do, you need to pour it out. Pour it out. But there are way we do our own because we are strong. We are not weak vessels. See, I don't waste my cry. I'll teach you how to do my own. I cry it with my father. I don't waste my tears. I use that tears to do better things. I communicate to my father. But in another way, I'm laying off what is in my heart. So that was by the way. We'll set the camera for the cry later. What I want to tell us this afternoon is that any state you find yourself into now, any emotional state, anyhow you feel in your body now, weak, strong, excited and all, is all a product of your heart. No wonder the Bible say, guide your heart with all diligence, because out of it comes the issues of life. That's what the Bible said. And then I was one that even, as in, I was one that put myself in this state this afternoon, because when I became weak, I started remembering things that I was not supposed to remember. I even wanted to share my life story with us. I said, no, I will not share that life story when I'm down. I will share it smiling so that you will not think it's paining me. You know, they pain me again. You understand? Because all those pains are my strength today. They are my strength. They are my drive. They are what is upholding me today. It doesn't matter the challenges I still see tomorrow, I'm still seeing now. When I remember where I'm coming from and where I am today, I have hope that the one that is around me now is just minor. But this body needs to cry now. So let me just off this camera and go and cry my cry in peace. You get it?